What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some DRL strips for the Honda Pilot. These are RGB and they change with colors. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, so today we have a new product to test. This one is gonna be amazing. We're gonna put some DRLs on the headlights. This one already has DRLs, but this one are RGB. You can change the color. That's amazing. But let's open the box. Okay, these are the strips, LED strips right here. So it has a pair right here, the connection for the box here. You can connect it here and you can disconnect them right here. Okay, it has two, one for each headlight, and you can change the color with the app. So here is the QR code to download the app. Okay, so let's connect this one. These are not turn signals. Okay, these are only DRLs. Okay, so let's install this one. Okay, this is the plan. Let me open the hood. All right, so this is their plan. I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, and I'm gonna connect the power cable to the low beam. Okay, that's the way I'm gonna do it. But if you want, you can connect them on the fuse box. If you want them to be on all the time, when you turn on the car, they will turn on. But I don't want them to be on all the time. Okay, first thing, let's clean this with alcohol so it will stick fine. Oh, oops, sorry. Let's clean this. Let's do the other one. Same thing. And then wipe it off. Ready. And also I'm gonna remove this plastic because I'm gonna put the wires under this. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it here, put the wire here, and connect them to one of the headlights. Alright, first step is done. I left it right on the edge of the headlight. One more thing, these will not work during the day. They won't be visible, so only at night. Okay. That's why I'm gonna let me try to see if I can connect it to the fuse box. But these are the lights right here, one, and the other one goes here. I put a little bit inside there. Okay, there's one connection here, the other one here, and the cable around the cable here, and the box is there. Okay, I'm gonna put the zip ties. Okay, so let's test it with the fuse box. Okay, but you can connect them directly to the battery, but the problem, if you put it to the battery, they're gonna be on all the time, and we don't want that. We want this to turn off when you turn off the car. So you can connect them to the low beams, to this DRL, but for me, this one, the plug, is very hard to get it. So the fuse box is here, so let me try to connect it to the fuse box. Let's do that. Alright guys, let me show you. It's very easy, everything is connected. This one, so I did it to the horn. Oh, let me remove this. Okay, the horn and the black cable to just a bolt here, and the red to a horn, to the horn. Okay, so I already downloaded the app right here, so let's see. Alright, so let's see how this works. I don't know. I can change this, yellow, white. Yeah. And now Wow. Okay, you can make it on directions, going to the outside or to the inside, or like this. Wow, man, it's amazing. And see? Oh wow. Oh, let me close the hood. Okay, hold on, let me close the hood. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. Okay, let me see if it works with the hood closed, the app. Let me see. Yes. Whew, man. Look at that. Yeah. Amazing, man. Let me turn off the lights. This is how it looks with the lights on, okay? And that's with the lights off. Look at that. Looks great. Looks crazy. Okay guys, those are the DRL strips. These are RGB, you can control them with the app. They are amazing, but remember, these will only work during the daylight. At nighttime. On the daylight, you won't be able to see them, okay? So remember, it's only for the night, when it's dark. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. The link for this product is gonna be on the description on the video down below. Let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.